In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly insert a screenshot into your Microsoft Word document. Screenshots can be incredibly useful for illustrating a point, showcasing an error message, or even just for adding a visual touch to your document. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly add any part of your screen into your Word document with ease. First, let's open the Microsoft Word document where you want your screenshot to be placed. Once your document is open, the next step is positioning your cursor at the exact location where you'd like to have the screenshot appear. This ensures that when you insert your screenshot, it lands precisely where you want it, saving you time and avoiding the need to move it around later. Now, direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll find the ribbon. Here, you'll want to click on the Insert tab. This tab is your gateway to adding various elements like images, charts, and of course, screenshots into your document. Once in the Insert tab, look for the Illustrations group, where you'll find the Screenshot option. Click on this to reveal your screenshot choices. At this point, you have two convenient options. The first is Available Windows, which will present you with thumbnails of all open windows on your computer. If one of these windows contains the content you'd like to capture, simply click on the thumbnail and Word will instantly insert it into your document. This is an especially nifty feature when you want to swiftly grab a reference from another application. The second option is Screen Clipping, which provides you with more control over exactly what you want to capture. Upon selecting Screen Clipping, your Word document will automatically minimize, giving you an unobstructed view of your desktop. Your screen will dim slightly, indicating that you're in screenshot mode. Now, with your mouse, click and drag to form a box around the part of the screen you wish to capture. Once you release the mouse, the area you've selected is automatically captured and inserted right into your Word document at the spot where your cursor was initially placed. This tool is fantastic when you need only a specific section from your screen without capturing an entire window. And there you have it. The captured screenshot, whether from a full window or just a clipping, is now in your document, formatted and ready for you to use. This method is both fast and user-friendly, making it a valuable addition to your word processing skills. With these steps, you're now well-equipped to enhance your Word documents with screenshots whenever you need to. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out more of our tips to make your daily tasks even easier.